Today we're going to show you how to install the Newel Post Mount by ColorGuard. Pairing perfectly with our architectural vinyl railing and available in 38 and 44-inch heights, this kit comes fully boxed and includes a steel post, high-density fillers, adjustment leveling plate, screws, and the Newel Post sleeve in white, tan, or clay. Like our Patriot Post Mount, the Newel Post Mount is rated for 500 pounds of pressure and, unlike a typical wood post, won't warp, twist, or split. Before you install, you'll need to gather your tools, including drills, a 1/2-inch wrench, speed square, level, 3/8-inch driver, and an 11/64 drill bit. And don't forget your safety glasses. To install, first add the adjustment screws to the post base. Determine where you're going to mount the post and mark 4 mounting holes for pre-drilling. Then drill. Secure the post with fastening screws, but don't tighten all the way yet because the post still needs to be leveled. Adjust the leveling screws. The Newel Post Mount can be leveled up to 11 degrees in any direction. Once leveled, secure the 4 fasteners. Use the included instructions to determine the top and bottom fillers and Newel post direction. For this model, the bottom is 10 3/4 inches. Once that is determined, use the pre-drilled holes to attach bottom fillers. Slide on the Newel Post sleeve, then insert the top fillers. Snap on our easy-to-install vinyl post collar, and finish off with a cap.
Slide your cap on and you're done.
Hey, that's my line! Thank you for watching. For more information on ColorGuard railing systems, including product information, options and accessories, installation instructions, and inspirational ideas, please visit us at colorguardrailing.com.